Hello friends, so in this video we are going to make this gallery page. So first of all we have to create one page with the name gallery.php. So here in user side I am going to create one page. Page name is gallery.php. Now what we have to do? We have to open this demo page and we have to paste all the code inside the demo page. Then after here we are going to change the name gallery. Now here we have to paste some code like open your gallery.html from your template. There you can see this gallery page section. So we have to use this section. So I am going to copy this section and here we are going to paste. So now here we can see the gallery page is here. Now if you click over here, then you can do previous and next over there. Now the main question, if you want to change the photo, then what you have to do? So for that, here you can see this is the href. So here only and here these two places you have to change the path. Wherever your photos, you have to select the photo path like this way. Control space. From here you can select your path like yes at whatever. Double click and then you can select your path this way. So if you change the photo over here, then it will reflect directly up on your output here. So this way you can create gallery page.